Hello, it's Cam from Stafford Land Rover showing you today this approved used Land Rover Range Rover Sport 3.0 D300 SE with a automatic gearbox finished in grey. The large LED headlights up front will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night. And this car stands on 22-inch satin dark grey alloy wheels with the 5 split spoke design. There's around 650 litres of usable boot space capacity in this car, allowing for larger items to fit in a lot easier. There is an adjustable parcel shelf as well as adjustable air suspension to help lift heavier items into the car, and there is a button up top to close the boot. Stepping into the back, we see the ebony interior as well as the ebony perforated winter leather seats, which do contain ISOFIX points on them, and a fold down armrest which will reveal a storage tray and 2 cup holders. Rear passengers can also utilise their own AC climate control function with 2 built-in USB-C charging ports and a 12-volt socket. Making our way up front, the ebony interior does continue along the dash and the door frames as well. A large panoramic sunroof will let plenty of light into the cabin, and the ebony perforated windsor leather seats have additional side support for extra comfort on longer journeys, and they are fully electronically adjustable, which are found in the door sills. Looking at the 3-spoke multifunctional leather-wrapped steering wheel, we'll find controls on the left for the virtual cockpit as well as the voice control, and on the right, cruise control options followed by a heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit itself has different display options to best suit driver preference, including dial, map and focused. Speaking of maps, the 13.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system does include satellite navigation with useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations. We can access standard Bluetooth as well as radio with FM and DAB, and there is also wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated seats are also found here, which do have different levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions. As well as this, we can activate the rear parking camera to help manoeuvre this larger vehicle. Below the infotainment system, there is a slide panel here which reveals a storage pocket to store your phone while out on the road, and the automatic gear selector does fit comfortably in the hand and glides effortlessly through the different gear options. Behind the centre console, there is a covered set of cup holders which can be slid back to reveal a storage pocket with 2 USB ports in it. Finally, the leather-wrapped armrest can be lifted up to reveal a storage pocket inside, which does have a function of cooling to keep items at a certain temperature. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved used Land Rover Range Rover Sport. For any more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.